Hey, this is Phil White, the Earth Sciences Librarian here at CU. Just a really quick video demonstrating how to add business data if you have Esri's Business Analyst extension added onto ArcMap, because it is confusing and took me a few minutes to figure it out too. So if you have Business Analyst installed, the first thing to do, this is just a blank ArcMap document, but the first thing you want to do is go to Customize Toolbars and turn on the Business Analyst toolbar. You can dock this anywhere, maybe right here. It's also helpful to go ahead and click this button and turn on the whole Business Analyst window, because there's a bunch of other stuff here too you can explore. And you can turn on a bunch of other toolbars too related to Business Analyst. There's like a little bit right here where it says Toolbars, and there's one that says color-coded maps, and this is where you can go to add data. You can also do a few other things here. There's an address geocoder. I'm not too sure what territory design is. I think it basically limits your analysis area to a certain extent. But if you click on the color-coded maps one, it will add this new toolbar, which is basically a layer toolbar. And here you can go and add data. You'll notice that it's all grayed out at the beginning. And if you say choose layer, there's nothing there. That's because everything here is still driven through ArcGIS Online. So you have to make sure you're signed in to your institutional ArcGIS Online account, which is easy to do. Just go to File and go to Sign In. Enter in your username. Sign in. Okay. And now all of a sudden we have some extra stuff here. If you're way zoomed out, some of these will be grayed out. They're only visible at certain zoom levels. You can click on this and zoom in. Choose a layer. If you want to do counties, then you have variables here where you can choose things, and it zoomed me in. I randomly zoomed in to kind of looks like the southeast of the United States, but you can move it around. It loads a little bit slowly because it's coming from the web, but this is where you can go to change your, basically the layers are going to be your geographies, and the variables are the variables in the data that you're gonna plot. That's just the basics for adding data from Business Analyst Online into ArcMap. That's kind of the starting point, and that's all I've got. But definitely feel free to contact me if you have any questions at philip.white@colorado.edu. Talk to you later.